Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install Firefox browser on your OnePlus Nord 2T. So in order to do this, we'll need to open our Google Play Store. From here, start search for an app and enter Firefox browser. Hit the search button, select this app and install it. And after installation process is complete, we'll be able to open our app. Now start customizing it. You can change the theme from light to dark or set it automatic, pick your toolbar placement from bottom or top, and also adjust always on privacy settings from standard to strict or from strict to standard. You can sign in order to synchronize other devices and read this privacy notice. After all that, click start browsing and your browser will be ready. You can open any website and it should work without any problem. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.